Hair loss affects millions of people and can feel discouraging, lowering self-confidence and creating daily stress. While many treatments promise results, natural remedies often provide safe and effective ways to slow shedding and encourage regrowth without harsh chemicals. By improving scalp circulation, nourishing the roots, and restoring balance, simple home remedies can make a visible difference when used consistently. In this video, we will explore 12 natural solutions that support stronger, healthier hair. These remedies are accessible, affordable, and easy to use, offering real hope for anyone struggling with thinning hair or hair fall. 1. Coconut oil massage for stronger roots. Coconut oil is one of the most powerful natural remedies for hair loss because it nourishes the scalp and strengthens the roots from within. Rich in fatty acids, coconut oil penetrates deeply into the hair shaft, repairing damage and preventing protein loss that often leads to thinning. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties also keep the scalp healthy by fighting dandruff and reducing infections that can weaken hair follicles. Using coconut oil as a scalp massage not only delivers nutrients directly to the roots, but also improves blood circulation. Warm a small amount of virgin coconut oil and gently massage it into the scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper conditioning before washing it out with a mild shampoo. This routine, practiced 2 to 3 times a week, can significantly reduce hair fall and encourage stronger regrowth over time. Beyond its physical benefits, many people find the massage itself deeply relaxing, which reduces stress, a common contributor to hair loss. Coconut oil is safe, affordable, and widely available, making it one of the easiest remedies to add to your routine. With consistent use, hair becomes softer, shinier, and more resilient, laying the foundation for long-term growth. 2. Aloe Vera, Gel to Soothe and Regrow. Aloe Vera is a powerful natural healer that has been used for centuries to treat skin and hair problems, and it remains one of the best remedies for hair loss. Its cooling gel not only soothes an irritated scalp, but also creates an ideal environment for new hair to grow. Aloe vera contains enzymes that repair damaged follicles, reduce dandruff, and clear excess oil, all of which can block growth and lead to thinning hair. Applying aloe vera gel directly to the scalp helps moisturize and strengthen the roots, reducing breakage and shedding. It also restores the natural pH balance of the scalp, which is essential for keeping hair healthy. To use this remedy, apply fresh aloe vera gel or pure store-bought gel directly to the scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeating this 2 to 3 times a week can bring visible improvement in thickness and shine. What makes aloe vera especially valuable is its gentle yet effective action. Unlike chemical treatments, it does not irritate or damage the scalp, making it suitable for all hair types, even sensitive skin. With consistent use, aloe vera helps reduce hair fall, strengthens weak strands, and encourages new growth, giving your hair a fuller and healthier appearance. 3. Onion juice for stimulating growth. Onion juice may sound unusual, but it is one of the most effective natural remedies for stimulating hair regrowth. Rich in sulfur, onion juice boosts blood circulation to the scalp, which nourishes hair follicles and strengthens them from the roots. Sulfur is also a key component of keratin, the protein that makes up hair strands, so providing it naturally helps promote thicker, healthier growth. To use this remedy, blend or grate a fresh onion and extract the juice. Apply it directly to the scalp, focusing on thinning areas, and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before washing it out with a mild shampoo to remove the odor. Repeating this 2 to 3 times per week can lead to visible improvements in both growth and volume. Onion juice is also known for its antibacterial properties, which keep the scalp free of infections that can block hair growth. Many people who have used this remedy consistently report reduced hair fall and new baby hairs appearing along the hairline and crown. Although the strong smell may be a drawback, the results often outweigh the inconvenience. Safe, inexpensive, and highly effective. Onion juice remains one of the most powerful home treatments for anyone seeking natural ways to stop hair loss and encourage regrowth. 4. Rosemary oil for follicle stimulation. Rosemary oil has gained attention as a natural alternative to hair loss treatments, thanks to its ability to stimulate follicles and encourage thicker regrowth. Research shows that rosemary oil improves blood circulation in the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to stay active. This stimulation helps slow down thinning and supports the growth of stronger and healthier strands. To use rosemary oil safely, it should always be diluted with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil. Mix a few drops of rosemary essential oil with 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, then massage the blend gently into the scalp for about 10 minutes. Leaving it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing allows the oil to penetrate and nourish deeply. For even better results, this treatment can be practiced 2 to 3 times a week. Many people who use rosemary oil regularly notice reduced shedding and a visible improvement in hair density within a few months. In fact, studies have compared rosemary oil to conventional treatments like minoxidil, showing that it can be just as effective without the unwanted side effects. With its refreshing scent and natural healing properties, rosemary oil offers both a relaxing scalp massage and a proven method for encouraging new growth. Consistent use makes hair stronger, shinier, and more resilient, making rosemary oil a trusted remedy for fighting hair loss naturally. 5. Green tea rinse for hair strength. Green tea is not only a powerful health drink, but also a natural solution for reducing hair loss and encouraging regrowth. Packed with antioxidants known as catechins, green tea helps reduce damage to hair follicles caused by free radicals and inflammation. It also blocks the action of DHT, a hormone linked to thinning hair, making it especially effective for people experiencing pattern hair loss. Using green tea as a rinse is simple and refreshing. Brew 2 cups of strong green tea, let it cool, and pour it directly over the scalp after shampooing. Massage it gently into the scalp for a few minutes and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing with cool water. Doing this 2 to 3 times per week can strengthen roots, reduce shedding, and add shine to the hair. Green tea also improves blood flow to the scalp, which delivers nutrients to the follicles and keeps them active. Many people who use this rinse regularly notice not only less hair fall, but also softer and shinier strands. What makes green tea appealing is its safety and accessibility. It is inexpensive, easy to prepare, and offers benefits for both the scalp and overall health. By including it as part of your hair care routine, green tea provides a natural boost that supports stronger growth and healthier hair over time. 6. Castor oil for thickening hair. Castor oil has long been praised as a natural remedy for hair growth, thanks to its rich content of ricinoleic acid and vitamin E. These nutrients nourish the scalp, strengthen follicles, and encourage thicker hair regrowth. Its dense texture coats the hair shaft, locking in moisture and preventing breakage, which is especially important for people with weak or thinning hair. To use castor oil, warm a small amount and apply it directly to the scalp with gentle massage. Because it is thick, it can be mixed with a lighter oil, such as coconut or olive oil, for easier application. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or preferably overnight, before washing with a mild shampoo. Consistent weekly use can lead to visibly denser and stronger hair over time. Castor oil is also known for improving circulation in the scalp, which ensures that hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients. This stimulation not only supports growth, but also reduces hair shedding. Many users also report that regular application helps fill in thinning edges and bald patches naturally. Safe, affordable, and highly effective, castor oil is a trusted remedy that has stood the test of time. With patience and consistency, it can transform fragile strands into thicker, healthier hair, making it a powerful ally against hair loss. 7. Fenugreek seeds for hair revival. Fenugreek seeds are a time-tested remedy for hair loss, widely used in traditional medicine to strengthen hair and encourage regrowth. Packed with proteins, iron, and nicotinic acid, they nourish the scalp deeply and repair damaged follicles. These nutrients not only reduce shedding, but also make new growth stronger and more resilient. One popular method is to soak a handful of fenugreek seeds overnight, grind them into a smooth paste the next morning, and apply it directly to the scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This paste works as both a hair mask and a scalp treatment, reducing dryness, dandruff, and thinning at the same time. Fenugreek can also be used as a rinse. Boil soaked seeds in water, cool the liquid, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. This not only strengthens the roots, but also adds shine and softness to the hair. What makes fenugreek especially valuable is its ability to balance hormones, which often play a role in hair loss. Regular use can help women experiencing postpartum hair fall and men with early signs of thinning. Safe, natural, and rich in nutrients, fenugreek is a powerful ally for reviving weak hair and restoring confidence. With consistent use, it helps reduce shedding, improves texture, and stimulates new growth naturally. 8. Egg mask for protein boost. Hair is made mostly of protein, and one of the most effective natural ways to strengthen thinning strands is by applying an egg mask. Eggs are rich in protein, biotin, and essential vitamins that repair damage, restore shine, and encourage new growth. For people dealing with brittle or weak hair, this remedy provides the nourishment needed to rebuild strength from the roots to the tips. To make an egg mask, beat 1 or 2 eggs and apply the mixture directly to the scalp and hair. For added moisture, you can mix in a spoonful of olive oil or honey. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cool water and a mild shampoo. Using this treatment once a week is enough to see noticeable improvements in texture and thickness. The proteins in eggs work by filling in gaps in the hair shaft, which reduces breakage and prevents further thinning. Biotin, an essential vitamin for hair health, also supports stronger regrowth when applied directly and absorbed by the scalp. While some people may dislike the smell, the results are worth it. Hair feels softer, looks shinier, and becomes more resistant to shedding. Affordable and simple, egg masks are one of the most accessible home remedies for fighting hair loss and encouraging natural regrowth. 9. Amla, Indian gooseberry for follicle strength. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a traditional remedy in Ayurvedic medicine that has long been valued for its ability to strengthen hair and prevent premature hair loss. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential minerals, Amla nourishes the scalp, stimulates blood flow, and fortifies hair follicles to reduce shedding. Amla can be used in several ways. One effective method is massaging the scalp with Amla oil, which delivers nutrients directly to the roots while also moisturizing the scalp. Another approach is creating a hair mask by mixing Amla powder with water or yogurt and applying it evenly across the scalp in strands. Leaving it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing helps restore shine, strength, and thickness. Regular use of Amla not only reduces hair fall, but also improves overall hair health. It helps darken natural hair color, delays graying, and promotes smoother texture. Many people who add Amla to their routine notice that their hair grows faster, with stronger strands and fewer split ends. As a dietary addition, consuming Amla juice or dried Amla also supports hair health from within, since vitamin C boosts collagen production, which strengthens the structure of hair. Safe, natural, and multi-purpose, Amla is one of the most powerful traditional remedies for protecting the scalp and revitalizing thinning hair. 10. Ginseng for stimulating growth. Ginseng is a powerful herbal remedy widely recognized for boosting energy and improving circulation, and it has also been found to stimulate hair growth. The active compounds in ginseng, known as ginsenosides, promote better blood flow to the scalp, which ensures that hair follicles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay healthy and active. This increased circulation helps reduce shedding and encourages new growth, especially in areas of thinning. To use ginseng as a hair remedy, ginseng oil or extract can be massaged directly into the scalp, either alone or mixed with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Another option is using shampoos and conditioners enriched with ginseng extract, which provide a convenient way to nourish the scalp during your regular routine. Drinking ginseng tea or taking ginseng supplements also supports hair health from within, making this remedy versatile and effective. Regular use of ginseng helps strengthen the roots, reduce breakage, and improve hair density. It is especially helpful for people experiencing stress-related hair loss, as ginseng also lowers cortisol levels and improves resilience against fatigue. Safe when used in moderation, ginseng is a natural and holistic way to stimulate hair growth, while also boosting overall vitality. With consistent use, it can transform thinning hair into fuller, healthier strands, restoring both strength and confidence. 11. Licorice root for nourishing the scalp. Licorice root has long been used in traditional medicine for its soothing and healing properties, and it is also an effective remedy for hair loss. It works by nourishing the scalp, opening up pores, and strengthening weakened hair follicles. Its natural compounds reduce dryness, flakiness, and irritation, which are common causes of hair fall and slow regrowth. To prepare a simple treatment, licorice root powder can be mixed with milk or a small amount of saffron to create a smooth paste. Apply this directly to the scalp, focusing on thinning areas, and leave it on overnight under a clean cloth or towel. Wash it off in the morning with a mild shampoo. This remedy, when used weekly, can help stimulate new growth and prevent further shedding. Licorice root is also effective in soothing scalp conditions such as dandruff or eczema, which often contribute to hair loss. By reducing inflammation and maintaining a clean, healthy scalp, it creates the right environment for hair to regrow naturally. In addition to topical use, licorice tea can support overall wellness and indirectly benefit hair health by balancing hormones and reducing stress, both of which play a role in hair thinning. Gentle yet powerful, licorice root provides lasting nourishment to the scalp and strengthens hair at the roots, making it a valuable addition to any natural hair care routine. 12. Healthy diet and lifestyle for lasting results. While topical remedies are important, long-term hair health depends heavily on diet and lifestyle. The body needs a steady supply of nutrients to produce strong, healthy strands, and without them, hair becomes thin, weak, and prone to falling out. Eating a balanced diet rich in protein, iron, zinc, and vitamins A, C, D, and E provides the foundation for steady hair growth. Foods like eggs, fish, nuts, leafy greens, and berries deliver the essential building blocks your follicles need. Hydration also plays a key role. Drinking enough water keeps the scalp moisturized and improves circulation, while limiting processed foods and excessive sugar reduces inflammation that can weaken follicles. Stress management is equally vital, since high stress often leads to hair thinning or sudden shedding. Practices such as yoga, meditation, and regular exercise not only improve overall health but also protect hair from stress-related damage. Sleep is another often overlooked factor. Consistent rest allows the body to repair and regenerate, including the hair follicles. Even the best natural remedies will not be fully effective if the body is constantly depleted. By combining topical treatments with healthy daily habits, you create the best environment for long-term regrowth. A strong diet and balanced lifestyle ensure that natural remedies can work more effectively, giving you thicker, shinier, and healthier hair over time. Hair loss can be stressful, but with natural remedies and healthy habits, it is possible to slow shedding and encourage regrowth safely. From oils and herbal treatments to scalp care and nutrition, each solution works by strengthening roots, stimulating follicles, and restoring balance. These remedies are simple, affordable, and effective, when used consistently, giving you real ways to protect and revive your hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MediMint for more natural health tips. Stronger, healthier hair is within your reach, naturally.